Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna make a very special serum for your face. It's a homemade serum made out of flaxseed. This serum will really help you a lot to tighten your skin, small your pores, and it is said that if you use this serum regularly, this serum will make you look 10 years younger. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay people, so now to make this serum we need only one ingredient, that is flaxseed. ये flaxseed आपको कोई भी किराने की दुकान पे मिल जाएगा. So take a pan, मीडियम साइज पैन, और उसमें तकरीबन 2.5 कप वाटर लेना है हमको. सो आई हैव टेकन लाइक 2.5 कप ऑफ वाटर एंड हाफ कप ऑफ flax seeds. Like you can see, मैंने it's not even half cup, like you can say a quarter cup of flax seed. Put that in the boiling water. Like you can see, I have just poured all of that in this pan and let it boil. One thing you have to keep in mind कि आपको उसको stir करते रहना है. Keep it on medium heat, not on high heat. Once the water starts boiling, you'll start seeing this white foam. It actually looks like a white egg. तो जो सफ़ेद अंडा होता है ना, उसकी कंसिस्टेंसी अब देखिए. इट इज़ एग्जैक्टली एज इफ यू हैव पुट अ वाइट एग इन इट. सो कीप ऑन स्टरिंग इट. वंस इट्स ऑन बॉयल, पुट द फ्लेम ऑफ और इसको निकाल कर हीट से साइड में रख दीजिए. ओके गाइस, तो हमारी फ्लैक्स सीड्स को हमने बॉईल कर लिया है एंड नाउ एज यू कैन सी मेरे पीछे अभी आई हैव केप्ट इट लाइक फॉर इट टू कूल डाउन. Once that's done, now we're gonna go on to our next step, which is just straining it with a cotton cloth, जो मैं आपको बताऊंगी थोड़ी देर में. Okay guys, so after a very difficult setup, I am finally shooting this. So we have our whole thing boiled and right here. So this is boiled. You can see that the consistency of this gel is like a white egg. So once you get that, this is supposed to be done. Now our next step is very simple. What we need to do is just get a container. I've taken the cup and a cotton cloth. Put it over the container, right? Something like this. Okay, now what we need to do, put this whole thing like that. Okay, so I think this is a fail because one इसमें से निकल नहीं रहा. So I'm just gonna transfer this whole thing back. Oh god, it is really use this honey and let's see if this works. Nope, this fails too. So basically ये मुझे नहीं लगता कि ये बहुत आसानी से है because this is really sticky. I don't know if you guys can make it out or show you guys, but like this looks like here, like that. But I did manage to remove quite enough of gel from it, and I'm just gonna little bit try and remove the seed and the whiteness from this whole thing that we have collected, because this is the goal that we were going for. Transfer this in an airtight container, and you can keep this in a fridge for at least 1 month and apply it like a night cream. And you can use this like इसके बहुत सारे फ़ायदे. It is an antioxidant. It helps in tightening your skin, like reducing your pores. You can also use this as a hair mask. Apply it on your roots. You can add in honey and also use it if you want the honey properties to mixed with it. But I am actually just going to go with the original flaxseed extract and apply this every night. and hopefully try give you an update of how I feel after using it for after a week or so. I'm really excited to use it. It's the only bad part about is the whole, see, I'm a person who doesn't like slime. Okay, I hate slime, and people who love slime, okay, they're gonna have a party with this, but not me. Okay, so only looking at it is like ugh. So you will have to get over it, like things we need to do for beauty. So I'm just yes, so that's it guys. Transfer it into an airtight container once the whole process is done. Refrigerate it, use it at night, and hopefully you will get a very tight and closed pores skin. And if you did like this video, I'm sorry for the whole setup, but if you still did like the video, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. And please guys, subscribe, ask your friends to subscribe. I really need your support. Love you. Bye.